Welcome back to Physics Teacher. In our second episode on cryptography, we're going to learn about shift ciphers. A shift cipher is also called a Caesar cipher, as it was originally used by Julius Caesar to send secret messages to his generals. In this example, the key is a +3 shift, which means to move each letter over 3 spaces. Can you solve this one? Pause the video here and give it a try. To solve it, simply match the cipher text with the plain text. Notice that the cipher is still in 5-letter groupings. If you missed the first episode on letter groupings, be sure to go and watch it. This message says, "The game's afoot." The X is a nullifier. Let's try another. Try and solve this one on your own. It would be very challenging without knowing the key, so I'll tell you that. It's a shift +5 key. Start by moving the A over 5 characters to F. Pause the video before seeing the answer. Did you get it? Shift ciphers took code breakers almost 800 years to crack. This message says, "Elementary, dear Watson." Yes, I'm a fan of Sherlock Holmes. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode as I expand shift ciphers into keyword ciphers.